How to add deals to HubSpot pipeline. So first go to HubSpot and then just hover your mouse over this icon here and then click on deals. From there, you can just click on create here at the top right. And then type in your deal name. You just need to fill in all of the details here. Choose your pipeline. So just choose this one. And then choose your deal stage. Type in your amount. So I'll just type in 1 here. And then choose your close date. Your owner, the deal type, priority, and then contacts. I'll just choose one of my contacts. And then company, I'll just choose HubSpot. And then if you want to add timeline activity from HubSpot to this deal, you can do that. Just click on this checkbox here. And then if you want to add a line item, you can do that as well. I'll just leave it be. And then click on create. And there you go. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.